Hi, this is Qi from Carnegie Mellon University, and my topic is the third-party tools for iPhone application development. So let's start with Apple's war with Adobe. In April 2010, Apple keeps Flash off its iOS devices. Apple and Steve Jobs in particular insisted that this was a move to protect users, so the developers could only create programs in Objective-C, C++, or JavaScript. Apple's tight control has benefited users with a reliable product interface and predictable performance, but the result has also negative effect. For example, the thousands of applications face the prospect of being banned if Apple really chose to enforce its rules, and many developers found it difficult for them to develop for multiple platforms, and companies that made software to make mobile development easier wondered whether they had a future making iOS development software. However, on September 9, 2010, Apple changed its ideas and removed many restrictions in its developer agreement. Apple said, "We are relaxing all restrictions on the development tools used to create iOS apps as long as the resulting apps don't download any code. This should give developers the flexibility they want while preserving the security we need." The new agreement allows developers to use much programming tools, including the Adobe Flash Packager for iPhone. It also allows the use of third-party advertising such as Google AdMob. We have to know that the new rules will not bring the Flash platform to the iPhone, but apps created in Flash can be translated using Adobe Flash Packager for iPhone. And Apple has also provided guidance about the kinds of apps it will and will not accept. Apple doesn't provide a bright line between that, but they invoke "I know it when I see it" to clarify the company's approach to banning apps. So as to the third-party test tools, there are both native applications and third-party test automation tools. For example, in native application, OC unit is to create the unit tests, and UI automation is another example. And as to the third-party testing automation tools for iPhone applications, the Scratch is a GUI test automation tools. So next, we all know about the Apple App Store, right? Users can browse and download iOS applications there. The applications are available either for free or at a cost, and 30% of the revenue will goes to Apple Store, and the other 70% will goes to the producer of the app. The Apple App Store opened on July 10, 2008 until October 2010. There are at least 300,000 third-party apps officially available on the App Store. After the success of Apple's App Store, there are many launches of similar services by its competitors. For example, the Google Chrome Web App Store, the Verizon Vcast App Store, the Nokia App Store. Amazon's Android App Store is launched in this March. However, Apple applied for a trademark on the term App Store in 2008, and it was tentatively approved in 2011. So Apple would possess the only App Store, while others use a different name, saying the BlackBerry App World, Intel App Center, or Windows Phone Apps Marketplace. The Apple Store is the only way to directly download native applications onto an iOS device without jailbreaking the device. So as to the jailbreaking, I will give a brief introduction on it. Shortly, the jailbreaking allows users to gain full access to unlock all features of the operating systems, give access to its root file system, thereby to remove limitations imposed by Apple, so that the users are able to download additional applications or themes one of the most popular installers in Cydia. Jailbreaking is legal in United States and some other countries, including Europe. And we should notice that jailbreaking doesn't include any modification to the hardware, so it can be easily reversed by restoring the operating system. It is estimated that more than 10% of all iPhones are jailbroken. And there are many reasons for jailbreaking. For example, the users want to gain deeper customization of their device, or they want to express opposition to Apple's censorship of content. The iPhone dev team is a group of engineers who have developed many jailbreaking applications. Their tools has been used on at least 1.6 million devices worldwide. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Thanks.